Hey there, this is Juana Lefter, the managing partner of NNC Services, and this is our daily video. McKinsey has shared for the past months a lot of surveys and studies about the impact of coronavirus in the business, in the economy in general, in the consumer behavior. And this is one thing I would like to share with you today. It is their US Consumer Sentiment Survey study during the coronavirus crisis. They actually, I think they have it for other countries as well, but this is one of the most relevant. And I'm going to zoom here a bit. It is a very complex survey. If you are in the B2C area, especially in the States, you may want to check it out. But I will share with you just some of the key figures. Apparently, most Americans believe the economic recovery will take more than 6 months. I actually took a look at their previous sentiment surveys, and it appears that optimism is going down. 70% of Americans believe COVID-19's impact on their personal routines will last more than another 4 months. And actually, half believe it will last more than 6 months. More than 1/3 of Americans have seen a decline in their income. 40% are looking to save money while shopping. Most categories have a negative net spending intent. There are also some positive figures you may want to take a look at in this survey. Things like consumers that have shifted mostly to online shopping, and they have also adopted new habits, especially habits to save money. So again, if you are in the B2C sector, if you are looking at the US market, you may want to check this interesting study from McKinsey. On the other hand, if you are on the B2B market, you may want to take a look at our B2B Prospecting Academy. This is an intensive 2-month online course for sales professionals and business owners that want to generate more leads. This is brought to you by my colleague Loredana Nicolae, and is starting on September 15th. Click on the link below this video and book your seat for then. See you.